gifts for your friends, decorate your kitchen, create a new collection of accessories, and plant unusual cactuses. All of this can be done with a hot glue gun. How? Watch fresh hot glue gun hacks in our new video. My friend Blondie has such a boring phone. She can only have boring conversations on it. I'm going to change it. I will make a surprise gift for my friend. It's a funny phone case with bright donuts. Take a clear silicone phone case. Make hot glue circles of different sizes. They look like donuts when hardened. Paint them with nail polishes of different colors. Add colorful glaze on top of each donut and add a coat of clear nail polish with glitter on top. I put my bright phone case onto her boring phone while she is away. Then I hide it under a throw pillow. Where is my phone? Where did I leave it? She can't find it by any means. I will have to help her. I make a call, and Blondie finds her phone under the pillow. And she also finds my bright present. Colorful donuts can make anyone happy. I will return the favor and make a gift for my friend as well. What about a slice of watermelon? She will never expect it. We will need red, white, black, and green felt and a pink zipper. Draw a dashed arch on a piece of green felt. Fold it in half along the arch and cut out a leaf shape. Cut out 2 half circles out of red felt. Cut 2 wide strips out of white felt. Pull up the green felt detail to stretch it a little. Hot glue the white strips to the edges. Attach the red half circles to the white strips. Turn the detail right side out. Fold the edges inside. And hot glue the zipper. We've got a piece of watermelon. We still have to make seeds. Squeeze a few drops of hot glue on a strip of black felt. Paint them black with nail polish when the glue is dry. Cut out the seeds and attach them to both sides of the watermelon slice. I give my sweet gift to my friend. A watermelon clutch is only for the sweetest fashionistas. She strikes photo shoot poses at once with this juicy accessory. Funny watermelon, mysterious watermelon, languid watermelon. Choose whatever you like. Well, what's inside of it? Wow, there is one more gift in the watermelon purse. What is it? It looks like a hair tie. Beautiful! Cover a piece of plastic with fatty cream. Squeeze a coat of hot glue and let it harden. Cut an oval template out of paper. Cut the glue following the template outline. Make 2 holes for a rubber band. Cover it with white acrylic paint. Draw a geometric pattern with nail polishes of different colors. Add a shimmering accent. Pass a rubber band through the holes and fasten it with knots. I put on the hair tie, but my friend is sure that I do it wrong. It turns out not to be for my hair, but for my wrist. Aha! Now it's crystal clear. The bracelet emphasizes how delicate my hands are. The bracelet is not the only thing that Blondie's made. She's also created a pair of stylish earrings to match the bracelet. Squeeze a layer of hot glue on a piece of plastic covered with fatty cream. Take the glue off when it is dry and cut out a triangle. Attach sticky tape to the top to form a strip at the base. Paint it with colorful nail polish. Take off the tape when the polish is dry. Paint the remaining part in another color. Hold the detail with a wooden stick to make the job easier. Cover it with glittery nail polish or with black dots on top. Turn it over and attach an earring stud. Make the second earring in the same way. The DIY earrings look awesome in your ears. You can make a colorful collection to fit any taste. And change them every day. A tragedy occurred while I was cleaning up. I've lost my ring. It's a family heirloom. It's been passed down from one generation to another, and it brings luck. One ring is nothing compared to it. Where is my precious? What would I do without it? Form a cone out of parchment paper. Fasten it with tape. Snip off the edge. Cover the cone with a layer of hot glue. Paint it pink, blue, and red when the glue is dry. Make accents with black nail polish. Blondie has cried her eyes out. Thank God I have an eagle eye. Her ring has been lying in plain sight all this time. You just had to stoop down and take it. I come up with a special ring holder to help my friend stay away from the stress. Place this simple and useful holder on a shelf and put all your jewelries on it. You will never lose a ring with an organizer like this. And there are no more reasons for stress anymore. My friend has an interesting thing. This panda is so cute. You may look at your reflection in this new Panda Mirror all day long. Squeeze hot glue on a piece of plastic covered with fatty cream. Take it off and cut out half-circle details, 2 bigger and 2 smaller ones. Paint the details black. Cover a round mirror with white acrylic paint. Draw a panda muzzle on it with black paint. Attach black ears and paws. My friend boasts about her new mirror. Blondie is so excited. She wants the same accessory for herself. A panda mirror is a fashion trend of the season. A little panda pet in your purse looks so cute. Blondie's signature fried egg recipe is way too easy. Take a hot glue gun and acrylic paint and start creating. Are you saying this is inedible? Certainly not, but it's so creative. A decorative fried egg and colorful pasta on a vinyl record. Vintage and modern. It can make a wall centerpiece. Cover a piece of parchment paper with fatty cream. Make a glue blot with uneven edges. This will be the egg white. Smooth the glue by holding it above the flame. Make a hot glue circle on another piece of parchment paper. This will be the egg yolk. Smooth out the surface by holding it over a candle again. Attach the glue disc to the center of the blot. Take the entire detail off the parchment paper. Make thin glue strips. Take them off and attach to a vinyl. Let's add some colors. Paint the fried egg the way it should be, and paint the thin glue pasta in different colors. We've got a real designer masterpiece. Maybe we should make an entire collection of silicone dishes. What about hot glue pizza? But for now, we will hang our picture in the kitchen. The fried egg looks great, not only on a plate, but also on a wall. I adore cactuses, but real plants are way too prickly. This is why I've come up with a harmless hot glue cacti. Draw a cactus silhouette on paper. Put clear plastic on top of the image and smear some fatty cream over it. And fill the cactuses with hot glue within the outline. Take the details off when hardened. Add more volume from the underside where they've been attached to the plastic. Paint one cactus with green nail polish. Cover the rest with different shades of green acrylic paint. Add such details as bulges and spines using a thin brush. Fill a decorative bucket with large chunky sea salt and stick in the cactuses. Whoa! What is it? Lovely little cacti have settled in our kitchen. They are so cute. I need to water them, but these cacti don't need water. The small decorative plants will make any interior beautiful, and they will feel at home on the kitchen table. Did you like our ideas? Then write in your comments what way you are going to use hot glue. Will you make new earrings or a fried egg picture? or tame a cute panda. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss any new videos on the Troom channel.